Okay, next is color tint. With the color tint, you can change you can drag and drop on it, open it, and then select the settings. You can see in a light tone and dark tone, you can assign a different color. For example, we have dark area here, and you can see we can give it that. You can change it, for example, the dark area. For example, in a dark area, we are giving it darker. In a light tones, we are going light. You can see, you can change something like that. In a light tone, dark tone. Refresh that. You can change, you can desaturate the color, more saturate or desaturate it. You can give this to which range do you want? Gray, shadow, red mid-tone. You can see, for example, you can assign this effect to the red mid-tone of the whole image. Nice, you can change it. You can see this is a red mid-tone of the image, and you can give it to the red, gray, green. Which channel do you want to? For example, a gray highlight. You can see these are gray highlights. You can see these are gray, and you can see that effect to these gray. Interesting. You can test it and see what happened on your image. You can give it to image, you can give it to video that you want.